In this lesson, we'll cover sheet and title block properties. So the properties of whatever you're looking at or clicked on display in the property area on the left. Same is true for sheets and title blocks. If I'm looking at a sheet and nothing is selected, it displays the sheet information or sheet properties on the left in the property area. Here I can see the sheet properties for the sheet being displayed. Some of these are editable and some are not. And as I scroll through the list, I can see the various different elements that I could view on the sheet. If you click the title block properties are listed on the left in the property area. Again, I'm looking at sheet information from the specific title block. Some of this information again can be changed and some cannot. So you can see you can update various properties on the sheet and on the title block by changing the information within the property window. But let's say you want to change information within the title block and I want to change it across multiple sheets. For example, the owner or project name. How do I go about changing that without editing the actual sheet title block? The answer to that is the actual project information. These sheets contain links to that project information. To show that, I'll double click on the title block. This will open the title block, allowing me to edit the title block. Then what I'll do is zoom in on the title block itself and click on client name. Once I click on client name, it highlights the label for client name. To see how it's actually linked to the field in the project properties, click Edit Label on your ribbon. This will show that it's connected to a property called client name. Click OK. And the same thing is true if you were to look at project name, sheet name, and the other variables listed on the actual title block. I'm done modifying. I'm just going to X out of the actual title block edit mode. And I'm going to say no, I do not want to save any changes I made. So to see this information being updated then, let's look at our information for this project. Let's go to the Manage tab on your ribbon, and on the Manage tab in the Settings area, click Project Information. This will display the information for the project, but also information that the title block reads. For instance, the actual client name, which would be owner, the actual project name, which is displayed right now as project name. So owner, I could change to my name. I'll just type in Tim. Project name, I'll call ABC. Project number, maybe I'll call 123. Now when I click OK, this information will be updated not only on this sheet, but across all of my sheets. So if I were to look at another sheet, for example, the electrical power riser diagram sheet, I could see the same information is updated in this sheet. Likewise, if I look at my panel schedule sheet, the information is updated here. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at sheet and title block properties. We viewed the properties in the properties area on the left of the sheet, and likewise did the same thing if we clicked on the title block. We also looked at how we can update information across multiple sheets or all of our sheets by changing the project information. We also actually opened the title block and looked at the field codes and how they're edited and linked to the actual labels so we know what is updated from the project information.